Step in my dojo, you
Step in my dojo, you
step in my
Okay, this tip is huge. Took me years to realize this, but in retrospect, it's so obvious. I wish someone had just told me. So I'm going to tell you, and then you'll know, and then it'll make your life a lot better. Okay, so when you're writing melodies, often it can seem like there's this huge infinity of possibilities. There's all these notes. The keyboard is so complicated. Music theory is so complicated. I just want something that works. I want to make people want to dance or rock out. I just want something that works. Okay? You know what really works? You know what really works for making dance music and hip hop and trap and every single genre of music ever? Is taking melodies, even simple melodies, and loading them into 16 pads, like a drum rack, MIDI fighter, or, load them up on the push. But taking your melodies and treating them not as 128 piano notes, but as 16 pads, chopped up, forwards, backwards, different cue points, different pitches. Flip it, okay? You might think that that's only for sample-based hip-hop producers. It is not. The practice of flipping a melody, taking a melody, putting it onto 16 pads, and flipping it, if you haven't tried it, I cannot underscore enough how important this is. You'll be able to take the worst melodies and turn it into something dope. Okay? It's really, really easy to make it sound dope. It's really easy to get the groove in the pocket. It's really easy to make amazing music by taking any melody or sample of a melody and just duplicating it across 16 pads, making 16 different pads, and then just with your hands, you will come up with amazing, amazing grooves, and it will make your music way better. You'll be like, why wasn't I doing this all along? Okay? It's not just for MPC people. It's not just for remixing. Remix yourself. Take your melody, chop it up, put it on the pads. You won't regret it. Okay? That's my tip for you today. If you're enjoying these tips, please like, subscribe, share, click the little bell, tell your friends, comment, all that jazz, because I'm trying to keep these free and I need your support and encouragement. And then I'll do more of them. All right, lots of love. Have fun. Enjoy your sample flipping future. Peace out.